Quideo advanced question. A researcher believes that treating seeds with certain additives before planting can enhance the growth of plants. An experiment to investigate this is conducted in a greenhouse. From a larger number of Roma tomato seeds, 24 seeds are randomly chosen and 2 are assigned to each of 12 containers. One of the 2 seeds is randomly selected and treated with the additive. The other seed serves as a control. Both seeds are then planted in the same container. The growth in centimeters of each of the 24 plants is measured after 30 days. These data were used to generate the partial computer output shown below. Graphical displays indicate that the assumption of normality is not unreasonable. Determine if there is a significant difference in growth between the tomatoes with additives and the tomatoes without. For this question, we will be using the phantoms method. We begin with our parameter, which would be difference in growth between plants with additives and without additives. We follow this with our hypothesis. The null hypothesis being that the control is equal to the mu of plants with the treatment. And the alternative hypothesis is that the mu of the control is less than the mu of the plants with the treatment. Following this, we do our assumptions, which would be the seeds are randomly chosen, which is stated in the question, and that we note is this sample of less than 30, so we can still complete it, but we should proceed with caution. Next, we name the test, which would be just a regular t-test match pairs. To complete this test, we will use the following equation, which is x bar minus mu over the standard deviation divided by the square root of n. We input all the numbers right here, which would be our x bar, negative 2.015 minus 0, over 1.163 divided by the square root of 12, and we come out with a t-score of negative 6.0019. The next step is obtaining the p-value, which, when calculated in the calculator, would be 0.00004451. We now then use this to make a statement. We reject the null hypothesis with a p-value of 0.00004451 at an alpha of 0.05. Using this, we create the final step, the summary. We reject the null hypothesis that the difference in plant growth from plants with additives and without additives based on a p-value of 0.00004451, which is larger than an alpha value of 0.5.